Preview.
So today,
Hey, you are? Who are you? Who are you?
Parikshit,
So he is Parikshit from
Kids Fun Night
Kids
Club.
Fun Land Club.
And today we are going to draw another folding surprise.
How do we start? We
You
first
are-
fold the paper in half.
Yeah, but the line should be equal.
Equal. First fold it in half. And then we fold it again. One more half. Right, Parikshit?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a
now?
sharp folding.
And now we color it. Now we start the drawing. We need a Sharpie
Or brush.
or a brush or a black sketch pen, a white paper and a few colors. And
Next,
we will start drawing the unique,
sharp.
very easy surprise fold drawing of
Sharp.
shark. Let's start.
First, let's make a normal shark.
Yeah. So this starts with a straight line, another straight line. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Wait.
I'm just seeing. How big
so
the shark is.
our shark is ready. And now
I'm just seeing how the big
now
shark
we will be drawing what comes inside. Oh my god, now what do we draw here? Let's first extend the fin like this.
Yeah.
And then we make the mouth like this. And we take it further. And like this. And then we connect it like this. Yes. And now we make the shark's big teeth.
He does not have a tongue. And we're gonna
And pizza.
go.
Pizza. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's make a pizza. Parikshit loves to eat a pizza.
Home pizza.
Yo. And now we will be coloring it quickly. Let's now quickly color it. Do not hurry.
I'm not sure.
I'm done. My folding surprise is ready. Guys, are you excited? Are you excited to see this folding surprise? Okay, we will wait for Parikshit. Okay? Let's wait for
close it. Just close it.
Let's wait for you. Let's wait for Parikshit to come finish his folding surprise.
You're going to scare Mama. Mama thinks this is a normal shot.
Let me finish it for you. Give it to me. Give it. Take it. My folding surprise is ready, and so is Parikshit's. So this is our folding surprise. How does this work? This is a normal chart. And now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Eating a pizza.
Oh my god, this shark eats a pizza. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Wow! Wow, 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 wow!
To just eat a pizza, he made such a big mouth.
This is such a fun.
I'm going to share Mama with this too.
So, kids,
If you love this drawing, do like and subscribe my channel. Otherwise, this shark will soak up your blood.
have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Wow.